To begin a regular pattern, you'll generally have two sections at either side. Often there will be the same colours on a mirror image at either side. Sometimes, depending on the pattern that you're doing, you may have different colours all the way across. I'm doing the same colours at either side in a mirror image just to make it simple. And you may have an odd number or an even number in the sections at either side. I'm going to do even numbers for mine, but if you do start with an odd number, you just want to start by knotting the first two threads on the inside together. So to begin converting your flat edge into a chevron point, you want to work the two threads in the centre at either side. So from each section, you're just going to work two threads. Just to keep it simple, I'm just going to do a forward knot this side and a backward knot at this side, but you can do the knots in whatever direction the pattern calls for. So I'm going to start at this side and I'm going to do my forward knots. And then taking this side, I'm going to do my backward knots. And then taking the two centre threads, knot these in whichever direction the pattern calls for. So for your next step, to maintain the flat edge into the chevron, you want to take the next two threads that haven't been worked at either side and knot these together in the direction dictated by the pattern. So again, I'm just going to do forward knots at this side. And then I'm going to work the next thread. And again, I'm going to do forward knots because I'm doing just a basic chevron for this pattern. And you want to do this until you get to the centre. So each time just working the next thread in the same section. And to complete the chevron, you want to do a mirror image at the other side. So taking the two threads that I haven't worked that are next in the pattern, because you may have more than 4 in each section like I do, because it'll depend on your pattern. Just want to do the knots in the direction that the pattern says. So for me, I'm just going to be doing them as backward knots. And then once you've got to the centre, you want to just knot these two threads together. Again, just do it in the direction that it states in the pattern that you're working to. So once you've worked all your threads at the beginning to create a chevron point, you want to continue the pattern diagonally at either side to follow the pattern, whichever one you're working. So instead of working straight across, you're just going to follow the knots in a diagonal to a point.